If you are a Canadian senior over 60 and you are paying this one bill every single year, stop right now. The federal government has quietly introduced a new program in 2026 that could eliminate this entire $2,000 charge for you, but only if you get one specific document. And here is the worst part. Most seniors will never know it exists unless someone tells them directly. You could be paying $2,000, $3,000, even $4,000 in charges every single year that you do not have to pay. The Canada Revenue Agency, Health Canada, and your provincial government have all set aside money specifically for you. And right now in 2026, even more seniors qualify than ever before. Stay with me until the very end. I am going to show you the exact document you need, the exact programs that pay for it, and exactly how to claim what is legally yours. Now, let me explain why this matters so much right now. Here in Canada in 2026, seniors are facing financial pressure like never before. Groceries cost more than they did 2 years ago. Heating costs more. Property taxes climb higher every single year. Prescription medications keep rising. And on a fixed income from CPP, OAS, and maybe GIS or a small private pension, every single dollar matters more than it ever has. The government knows this. That is exactly why they have quietly expanded several major programs and introduced new documents that hundreds of thousands of seniors are now eligible for. These programs are real. They are legal. They are funded, like they exist right now, but they are not automatic. Nobody calls you up and says like, hey, here is your money back. You know, you have to apply, you have to know about them. And most seniors are missing out, not because they do not qualify, but because nobody ever told them. Let me break this down for you step by step. The single biggest bill most Canadian seniors pay and should never pay is the dental bill. If you are 65 or older and your adjusted family net income is below $90,000, you qualify for the Canadian Dental Care Plan, also called the CDCP. This is not a discount. This is not a partial subsidy. This is full government coverage for cleanings, fillings, root canals, dentures, and major procedures. The average Canadian senior pays anywhere from $1,500 to $2,800 every single year on dental work out of pocket. That is money you do not have to spend. Margaret from Hamilton, Ontario, was paying $2,400 every year at her dental clinic before she enrolled. After downloading and submitting the CDCP application form from Sun Life, the critical document I keep telling you about, her out-of-pocket costs on covered services dropped to zero. That is $2,400 back in her pocket every single year. The application takes less than 20 minutes. In Ontario, BC, Alberta, Quebec, Nova Scotia, and Manitoba, dentists are signing up every week to accept this coverage. And in most cases, you do not need to switch dentists. If your current dentist is already enrolled, you simply show your CDCP membership card at your next appointment and walk out without paying anything for covered services. If your dentist is not yet enrolled, you can ask them to register. It is free for them to do so. This is one of the most quietly transformative programs in Canadian history. The federal government allocated billions of dollars to this program specifically because seniors like you were going without dental care for one simple reason. They could not afford it. Now the money is there. The dentists are signing up. The only thing missing is you with your completed application in the mail. You can request the form from Service Canada, from Sun Life directly, or download it from the official Government of Canada website. Fill it out today. Do not go anywhere because what comes next is even more important for your monthly budget. The second bill that quietly drains thousands of dollars from Canadian seniors every single year is the property tax bill. If you own your home and you are over 65, almost every province in Canada offers a property tax rebate, deferral program, or both. In Ontario, the Seniors Property Tax Grant gives you up to $500 every single year off your property tax, plus an additional $1,000 if your spouse also qualifies. In British Columbia, the homeowner grant for seniors reduces your property tax by up to $925 every year. In Alberta, the Seniors Property Tax Deferral Program lets you postpone your entire property tax bill, ease every single dollar until you sell your home or pass away. Combined, thousands of dollars of property tax that seniors pay every year can be reduced, deferred, or completely eliminated. Robert from Edmonton, Alberta, was paying $3,200 a year in property tax before applying for the deferral program. After his application was approved, his annual property tax bill went to zero. Robert did not stop paying the tax. The government simply let him postpone payment until his home is sold. That is $3,200 in cash flow every year. Money Robert now uses for groceries, heating, medication, and his grandchildren. To access these programs, you need to fill out a specific application form, usually called a Seniors Property Tax Grant, or deferral application. This is the second critical document I am telling you about today. You can request it from your municipal tax office, your provincial government service center, or by calling Service Canada. Most seniors never apply because the application feels intimidating or because they assume they will not qualify. But here's the truth. Almost every senior over 65 with a moderate income qualifies for at least one of these programs. The income thresholds are higher than most people realize. The application forms are intentionally simple. In many cases, you can complete the form in under 30 minutes. The money you save stays in your bank account, where you can use it for whatever matters most to you. Do not let your home become a financial burden you did not have to carry. Get the form, fill it out, submit it, and keep your money. Keep watching, because the next point could save you even more money every single month. The third bill that quietly hits Canadian seniors every single month is the phone and internet bill. Right now, in 2026, every major Canadian phone and internet provider is required by the CRTC to offer discounted plans to low-income seniors. These plans can save you between $20 and $40 every single month. Bell, TELUS, Rogers, Shaw, and Videotron all offer senior-friendly rates. Plans are available for as low as $20 a month for unlimited Canada-wide calling and texting. That adds up to anywhere from $240 to $480 every single year in phone savings alone. But here's the shocking part, dumb. Most seniors do not even know these plans exist. They keep paying the regular monthly rate to their existing provider out of habit. Eleanor from Halifax, Nova Scotia, was paying $95 every month for her home phone and internet bundle. When she called her provider one afternoon and asked specifically about the seniors discount program, the company moved her onto a $25 plan that same phone call. That saved Eleanor $70 every month, which works out to $840 every single year. She had been overpaying for 3 full years. That is over $2,500 she should have kept in her own pocket. To access these savings, call your provider, ask specifically about the Low-Income Seniors Plan or the CRTC-mandated Affordable Plan, and ask what documents you need to verify eligibility. In most cases, you can prove eligibility with your Notice of Assessment from CRA, which arrives automatically after you file your income tax return. Most providers will approve you on the same phone call, but you have to ask. And home internet is no different. The CRTC has made affordable home internet a national priority. Bell, TELUS, and Rogers all offer affordable home internet plans for $10 to $20 a month to qualifying seniors and low-income households. These programs are real. They exist right now, and you can stack them, meaning you can save $30 a month on your phone and $20 a month on your internet at the same time. That is $50 a month in combined savings. Over a year, that is $600 back in your pocket. Do not keep paying your current phone and internet bill out of habit. Call today, ask for the discount. Request the form if one is required. You have earned this money. Stay with me, because most people give up right here and miss the biggest savings of all. The fourth bill that drains thousands of dollars from Canadian seniors every single year is the prescription medication bill. If you are over 65 and you live in any Canadian province, you almost certainly qualify for some form of prescription prescription drug coverage through your provincial health plan. British Columbia has pharmacare, which covers 70 to 100% of prescription costs depending on your income. Ontario has the Ontario Drug Benefit Program, which reduces prescription costs to a small co-payment for seniors. Quebec has the Public Prescription Drug Insurance Plan. Alberta has the Coverage for Seniors program. Manitoba has Manitoba Pharmacare. Saskatchewan has the Saskatchewan Drug Plan, and the federal government has been expanding national pharmacare measures that began rolling out across Canada in late 2025. For most seniors, prescription medications that cost $50, $100, or even $300 per month can be reduced to $5, $10, or $0 out of pocket. Douglas from Winnipeg, Manitoba was paying $380 every month for his blood pressure medication and his diabetes pills. After enrolling in Manitoba Pharmacare, his monthly cost dropped to just $18. That is $362 back in his pocket every single month. Over a full year, that works out to $4,344. He will never know how much he overpaid before that day. To access these programs, fill out a short enrollment form from your provincial health ministry or apply online through your provincial health website. The form is usually 1 or 2 pages. In many provinces, your pharmacist can help you fill it out at the pharmacy counter in under 10 minutes. And here is something most seniors do not realize. Many pharmacies across Canada will help you apply for these programs on the spot. You literally walk in with your medication, ask the pharmacist about provincial coverage, and they can often enroll you right at the counter. Pharmacists are trained to help seniors navigate these programs. They know the forms, they know the eligibility rules, and they can save you hours of paperwork. If you are paying more than $20 a month for any prescription medication, ask your pharmacist about provincial drug coverage today. This is money that has been set aside for you. You have paid into the healthcare system your entire working life. You deserve to use it now. Hold on, because this one shocks almost everyone who sees it. The fifth bill that quietly drains Canadian seniors every single month is the heating bill. Whether you heat with natural gas, oil, or electric, there are government programs in 2026 designed to reduce or even eliminate your winter heating costs. The federal government expanded the Canada Home Heating Benefit for the 2026 heating season. Low and middle-income seniors can receive anywhere from $200 to $1,000 every year just for heating their home. On top of that, provinces offer their own energy assistance programs. Ontario has the Ontario Energy and Property Tax Credit, which provides up to $1,100 per year to qualifying seniors for energy costs. Nova Scotia has the Heating Assistance Rebate Program. New Brunswick has the Energy Finance Assistance Program. Quebec has Logai Renov for energy efficiency upgrades. And every major utility company in Canada, Enbridge, Fortis, BC Hydro, Hydro One, and Sask Power, offers seniors a monthly discount on their bills just for asking the right question and submitting a short form. Most seniors pay full price without ever calling to ask. Geraldine from Moncton, New Brunswick, was paying $320 every month to heat her home through the winter after being enrolled in the New Brunswick Energy Finance Assistance Program and the Federal Canada Home Heating Benefit. Her actual out-of-pocket cost dropped to $140 a month in winter and as low as $40 a month in summer. She received more than $3,200 in total assistance in her first year on the program. Geraldine thought she had been managing fine on her fixed income until she discovered she was throwing $3,200 a year down the drain. To access these programs, you typically need to file your income tax return and submit a short application form from Service Canada or your provincial government. Once approved, the money is usually deposited directly into your bank account within 8 to 12 weeks. There is no reason to heat your home on a fixed income without getting every dollar of government help available to you. These programs were created for exactly this reason: to help seniors stay warm in winter without choosing between heating their home and buying groceries. Call your utility company today Visit your provincial government website, search for energy assistance or heating rebate for seniors, and apply for the Canada Home Heating Benefit through Service Canada before the season ends. None of these applications take more than 20 minutes. Each one could save you hundreds of dollars every single year. Keep your eyes on the screen because what comes next is the most important part of this entire video. Here is exactly what you need to do right now to start saving. First, request the Canadian Dental Care Plan application from Sun Life Insurance Company this week. Fill it out completely, mail it in, and watch for your CDCP member card to arrive in the mail within a few weeks. Second, call your municipal property tax office today and ask for the Seniors Property Tax Grant or Deferral Application form that applies to your province. Most provinces will send the form to you the same day. Third, call your phone and internet provider this week and ask specifically about the CRTC required low-income seniors discount plan. Ask what documentation they need and switch to the discounted plan on your very next billing cycle. Fourth, walk into your local pharmacy this week with your prescription medications in hand and ask the pharmacist to help you enroll in your provincial prescription drug coverage program on the spot. Fifth, apply for the Canada Home Heating Benefit through Service Canada this week, either online through the official Government of Canada portal or by calling their general hotline. These 5 steps together could save you anywhere from $2,400 to $6,000 in 2026. Do not wait. Do not delay. Do not assume you do not qualify. Start today, this week. These 5 steps together could put anywhere from $2,400 to $6,000 back into your pocket in 2026 alone. That is money you have worked your entire life for. That is money the government has set aside specifically for you. And that is money you fully deserve to keep. Now, I need your help to spread this message. If this video helped you in any way, hit the thumbs up button right now. Every single like pushes this video higher in the algorithm so that a neighbor, a friend, a relative, or a complete stranger going through the same situation can find this information and claim what is rightfully theirs. If you know a senior in your life, your mother, your father, your aunt, your uncle, your neighbor, or a member of your community, share this video with them today. One share could save them thousands of dollars. One share could be the reason they finally stop overpaying on bills they should not be paying at all. And finally, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification so you never miss another video like this. I post every single week with new updates on Canadian senior benefits, government programs, pension changes, and money-saving opportunities designed specifically for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for trusting me with your time. Share this with someone who needs it, and I will see you in the very next video. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered legal, financial, or government advice. Eligibility for exemptions, rebates, and assistance programs may vary by province, income level, age, and personal circumstances. The Canadian Dental Care Plan, provincial property tax programs, low-income phone and internet plans, provincial prescription drug coverage programs, and the Canada Home Heating Benefit all have specific eligibility rules that may change over time. Always verify all information through official Canadian government websites. Service Canada at 1-8006-226232, the Canada Revenue Agency, Health Canada, your provincial health authority, your municipal tax office, or qualified financial and legal professionals before making any financial decisions. Dollar amounts mentioned in this video are maximum eligibility figures, and your actual savings may differ depending on your specific circumstances. The information in this video is current as of 2026, but government programs and rules can change at any time. Always confirm current details with the relevant government body before applying.